Welcome to Ask the Attorney. I'm Natasha Lubchenko. Joining us to answer your toughest personal injury questions is attorney John Haymond from the Haymond Law Firm. John, great to see you. Let's jump right in. Our viewer Alex wrote in looking for some advice. He says, I was driving in a construction area and a police officer was directing traffic at an intersection. I had a red light, but the officer waved me on. As I was going through, a driver on the cross street struck my passenger's side and I was injured. That driver is now claiming he never saw the officer. What do I do? John, this is a tricky situation. What do you advise?
Well, it certainly is tricky, and it's far more complex than it appears on its face. The other driver may very well have had a green light as opposed to the injured party who had the red light but was passed through by the officer. Number one, I'd look at the security cameras, if there are security cameras, and do that immediately because they tend to fade very quickly as time goes by. Number two, I would check, quite frankly, and give notice to the police department because they may not have followed proper protocol within the crosswalk. So that has to be checked out. And thirdly, and equally as important, the construction company that was doing the work on the road may have been at fault and set the apparatus up improperly. So you have three potential parties. Now, frankly, this requires an expert to handle these matters, and we would do that as well on behalf of the client.
Okay, John, a lot of factors at play here. Thank you for your insight as always. And if you have personal injury questions of your own, email them to asktheattorney@haymondlaw.com. For now, I'm Natasha Lubchenko, and we'll see you next week.